Words on.
Clap your hands, everybody!
Big Texas Breaks.
Cause I'm Curtis Blow, and I want you to know that these are the breaks!
May I have your attention, please?
ATB. ATB.
Good evening and welcome to tonight's festivities.
Live.
Live.
What you are about to witness is real.
This is not a dream. This is
Big Texas Breaks.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time.
All right, Big Texas Break here doing an NFL 7-box mixer break. Teams have already been randomized in the previous recording. No trades went down. Here we go. We got Eagles, Joe W. Browns, Joseph J. 49ers, Tanner E. Cowboys, Ricky C. Broncos, Shaner. Raiders, CeeLo. Chargers, Joe W. Ricky C. with the Chiefs. Lee U. with the Dolphins. Ravens, Junior. Shaner with the Colts. OZ with the Panthers. Carlos A.G. with the Bucks. Russ A. with the Giants. Joe W. with the Jets. Ricky C. with the Patriots. Cardinals, Carlos A.G. Titans, Thompson. Vikings, Joe W. Jags, Thompson. Rams, Julio G. Redskins, Joe W. Cheta with the Steelers and Packers. Shaner with the Lions. Bears, Stephen L. Welcome back. Texans, Matt S.R. T.R. with the Falcons, Saints. Marsha B. a.k.a. Sobey Gal, hitting the cut auto last night. Matt S.R. with the Bengals. Bills, Joe W. Tanner E. with the Seahawks. Those are your teams. Let's rip. So teams the struggle. Oh man, I'm gonna kind of go from like it's gonna be like a crescendo, man. It's gonna start off slow and then go, end with a bang. How about we do that? Let's go over here. Let's start off with let me see where this is at. Where did my knife go? Well, I guess we'll go old school for now until I get my knife. There it is. Let me get it back out. All right, good luck. What up? What up, Justin Sum? How you doing, bro? I see you. We're gonna start out with some certified. Kick it up with totally certified. All right, so now, I mean, it's kind of like the new buzz in the NFL is Jimmy Garoppolo. That's the new buzz, from what I can tell. What do y'all think about Deflategate, man? Kind of some bullshit a little bit, huh? Next, Brady. Cards have a little bit of a bend to them or something. What's up, 4 cards in the box? How you doing, man? Welcome to the room. Welcome everybody new to the room, man. Let's see. I know King Gusto's been in here before, but give him a welcome. I know Mini Matt's been in here, but Matt, 23 Matt, he's new. 4 cards in the box. It's been a while since Tech's been in here. But, yeah, y'all welcome, man. Thanks for joining the break. What's up, Mini Matt? Everybody, BTB. Andrew Luck. Look at that. These are some shiny cards. Megatron, Matthews, McCoy. These are a lot of base right here. Dummy card. Nice little numbered card right here. What did he do? Did he go off or what? I've been in over here. 83 and 99. Peyton Manning. Blue parallel. Denver Broncos. That's going to be Shaner. 83 and 99. 83 and 99. JoJo 2. I forgot about that. What's up, JoJo? Peyton Manning. Breeze, Tannehill, Andre Ellington, and Carson Palmer. Here's a hit. I'm going to put that to the side. Tyler Gaffney. Retro. Not numbered, but looks pretty cool. Roethlisberger and Eric Decker. I'm going to put these two to the side. And let me go through the base, and then I'll reveal the hits. Stafford, Tony Romo. Talk to Firm. He likes that D. Jared Abbrederis. That's numbered to a $9.99. That's numbered to $9.99, so I'll sleeve that also. Tony Romo. I agree. Thank you. D's nuts. Alfred Morris, Deshaun Jackson, Jamal Charles, J.J. Watt. What? Sky's the limit. Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings, Minnesota. I'll give that a little bit of love. Minnesota, Bridgewater. Who we have? Who we have with Minnesota? Shit, I can't even find them. Joe W. One of the best out there. Des Bryant, AJ Green, Mike Vick, Darrell Revis. Penny sleeve love. I think I'm gonna revert back to my nasty ways here in a little bit. Calvin Pryor, numbered to 149. Looks like a red parallel. Jets. Who was talking about the Jets earlier? New York Jets. Jets, Jets. All on card. CP3, is that what he trying to put? Certified potential. No, it's not Joe Webb. It's Joe W-E-I. I don't usually say people's full last names. Tavon, Russell Wilson, Andy Dalton, and D'Angelo. Yeah, it was a sticker auto, man. Sticker auto. Joe W-E-I. Hold on. Minnesota goes to Joe W-E-I. I don't think it's Webb. Minnesota. Where's Minnesota at again? Damn, I just had it. Yeah, Joe W-E-I. Will somebody put that down, Joe W-E-I? Maybe that gold one was numbered and I didn't catch it. Hold on, let me go back and get it. Okay, no, it wasn't. Okay, here's the first gold one that we pulled a while ago. And then here's one, D Ford 17/25 retro. It has a little bit of different, like it refracts the light a little different. It's gold, but oh, Joe Webb was on the Vikings. No, okay, yeah. You confusing me, dude. Gotcha. I got you now. Well, cool. Rainbow. I didn't open too much of the certified, so I don't know the name of the parallels. You got to understand, I'm looking down at the cards and I'm briefly looking. No side chick, just BTB. So I'm like kind of like going back and forth. My eyes are going like this. Back and forth. Dummy card. Lachey Seastrunk, 27 of 249 red. Redskins. Joe WEI. Victor Cruz, Greg Jennings. You want the white card? I'll sign it for you if you want. Dwayne Bowe, Rob Gronkowski. D Ford, number to 999. For the Chiefs. Keenan Allen, Nick Foles. Jeremy Maclin, Geno Smith. This is nice little low numbered action going on over here. A little bit. 7 of 25 for the Patriots, Aaron Dobson. Who does he play for now? This is going to go to the Patriots, but who does he play for now? New England Patriots going to Ricky C. Ricky C. Seven of 25. 7 of 25. Steven Jackson, Patrick Peterson. Anthony Barr, 84 of 99, blue. 84 of 99 blue. Anthony Barr. I guarantee you, you're probably going to want to try to hit in the later boxes, the latter boxes. Andre Johnson, boo. Kaepernick, and Harvin. All right, here are the hits. 140 of 299, Devontae Adams, Next Generation. Look like it's some sort of a pink parallel. Kaepernick. That's pretty. Packers, Green Bay. Cheto. And this does not say that it's game used or anything like that. Let me get the different size sleeves. I'm going to get some. Nice looking card, man. Devontae Adams for the Packers. Cheto. Way to go, bro. You get you a gold. You get you a sticker, man. Keep it in place. Doesn't move around in transit. Look at that. Freshman fabric. 447 of 699. One, two, three, four. Miami. Boomski. Lee. You. Lee. Y. Nice. Lee got in on the filler, man. That's a nice card, man. Nice patch, nasty. Get him a little sticker on that one so it doesn't shift around. right? Doesn't move around. All right, let's go to T-Cert. I like. It looks like a spaceship when you hit the wings out. You open up a spaceship. Empty box. All right, so there's gonna be a hit in every pack. All right. All right, we've got D'Angelo Williams, C.J. Spiller, McCarron, and Aaron Rodgers. 1 of 25 clear cloth. 1 of 25. 1 of 25 for the Bears. Chicago. This is going to be Stephen L., I believe. Stephen L., welcome back, brother. You can see my fingers behind it. Clear crotch. Probably a crotch patch. Scratch and sniff. Scratch and sniff. eBay 101. 1 of 25. 1 of 25. There we go. Keep it secure. There we go. 1 of 25. Stafford, DeMarco Murray, and Tannehill. $26 of 50. That's nice right there. Dre Archer, Pittsburgh Steelers. I believe that's Cheto. Cheto, man. 26 of 50. 26 of 50. $26 of 50. There we go, brother. Nice, homie. That doesn't always work, bro. AJ Green. We've got a red Marcus Smith. This is number 90. Hold on. We got Clowney and Trent T. Rich. This is numbered 67 of 100. And that's going to be for the Eagles. Eagles. Joe W. Aaron Donald for the Rams. St. Louis. Julio G. Julio G. Julio G. Rams. Y'all want to save y'all want to save y'all's hits for these boxes coming up. These breaks have a tendency to end with a bang. Okay, Andrew Luck and Marcus Colston. Oh shit. What's wrong? What just happened? Oh my god. Can y'all still see me and hear me? I've got a hiccup on my end. I don't want to continue unless... Am I still on? Or not?
Fresh. So that we can hear you.
Huh?
We can hear you. They can hear everything we're saying right now.
Is the video still going good?
No. Froze. The video's frozen.
Fucking bitch, man. Alright, I'll be right back, man. We have some bad weather over here in this area. Hold on. I'm gonna refresh. Damn.